Okay, let's say you have two planes here. Okay, so here, dotted line. Okay, let's say this is A, B, C, D, and this is point E, and this is point F. If the questions want you to determine the angle between these two planes, A, B, C, D, and A, B, E, F, it's actually very easy. First thing, we have to determine the line of intersection. So this line is a place where these two planes meet each other, right? So we call this one as the line of intersections. Okay, so the angle between these two planes must fall here, right here. So how do we determine the angle between these two planes? It's actually very easy. Normally, I will ask the student to draw the line of intersection first, AB. Okay, then you imagine this one, you open up to here, this one open up, open down to here, make it become flat. So you will get like this, something like this, right? So A, so here's B, so this is C. So this one you go down like this. Okay, sorry, my drawing is not nice. This is E, this is F, right? So the angle between these two planes is actually very easy to determine. You see the straight line, which is perpendicular to the line of intersections. See, you will have two straight line here, perpendicular to the line of intersection, right? So the angle between the two planes is DAE or CBF. Okay, let's look at these questions. Maybe this one is still not very clear. Never mind. After looking at this question, you should be okay to determine the angle between two planes. Here we have a right prism and LK. So here's LK is actually equal to MK. So this is actually an isosceles triangle here, and here's the same thing. So R and S are the midpoint of PG and LM respectively. State the angle between the plane GLP. Okay, where's GLP? G. Okay, this is G. This is L. This is P. Okay, GLP is over here. Okay, let me draw it first. GLP and the plane EKLP. 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 Okay, this one. Okay, so now where is the line of intersection? Here, right? This is the line of intersection. So just like I told you, if you want to determine the angle, you draw the line of intersection first. Okay, let me draw it over here. The line of intersections, L and P. Okay, now imagine, you open it, you will get something like this. Okay, let me draw it again. Try to draw nicer. Okay, this is L, this is P. This is K, this is E. Okay, so another one for the red color one. If you open it up, you will get something like this. So this is G. Okay, so where is the angle? From here, actually, you can get the angle very easy. This is the line of intersection. So which angle can you should you choose? GLK cannot, because this is not 90 degree. Yes, here is 90 degree, but here is not 90 degree. So we have to choose this line, this angle, 90 degree, 90 degree. So the angle is GPE. So the angle that we want is GPE. Okay. So next, let's go to the next part. The plane GKM and the plane GMLP. Okay, GKM first. Here is G. Here is K. Here is M. So we draw it first. This is GKM. So another plane is GMLP. Let me use another color. G M L P. Okay, this is another plane mentioned by the questions. Okay, so where is the line of intersection? Like just now I told you, draw the line of intersection first. Okay, so the line of intersection will be MG, right? MG. Okay, so this one, open it over here. Here you get K. So the MGPL. Open it here. So this is L, this is P. So can you see a straight line which is perpendicular to the line of intersection here, right? Here. Okay, sorry. Okay, this is the angle that we want. KML. KML. Okay, or you want to name it LMK also can, no problem. Okay, now two plane involved are GPK. Okay, GPK. Okay, let me draw it first. GPK. Okay, this is GPK. And the plane LMGP. LMGP. Okay. So from here you know GP is a line of intersection, right? Okay, so want to determine the angle between these two planes, draw the line of intersection first. GP. Okay, now we have another plane GMLP, which is over here. This is M, this is L. Okay, can you imagine that? This is GP, this is ML. Okay, so the K is actually at the middle here. This is K. And the midpoint of GP is R. The midpoint of LM is S. Okay, now we want to determine where is the angle that we want. So can you see a straight line which is perpendicular to the line of intersection GP? Okay, here is the straight line, right? 90 degree, 90 degree. So the angle that we are looking for is actually KRS. KRS. Okay, let's go to the last part. Okay, state the angle between the plane KRS and EGMK. Okay, KRS first. K is here. KRS. Okay, so let me draw it first. Okay, this is KRS. So another plane is EGMK. Okay, where's E? Okay, E, G, and K. Okay, so this is slightly different. These two planes. Okay, let me draw this plane first. Yeah. Okay, draw this plane first. Okay, these two planes actually meet at only one point, not a line, but only one point. Never mind, we still can do it. Okay, I draw it here. They meet at point K, right? So I draw the point K first. Okay, so this one is, if I open up, I will get this one. K, here is actually N, and this is E, and this is G. Okay, K, E, G, M, no problem, right? K, E, G, M. Then the green color one is actually here. Go this way, go down, then go up. Okay, this is S, this is R. I hope that you can imagine that. Okay, so where is the straight line that we are looking for here, right? This one, straight line. So the angle that we want is actually MKS. MKS. Okay. So after this question, I hope that you are more clear how to determine the angle between two planes. The diagram shows a Q point and M is the midpoint of BC. So M is the midpoint, so these two are actually the same length. Calculate the angle between the line GM and the plane ABHG. So GM, I connect the point, these 2 points first, GM. Okay, and the plane ABHG. ABHG. Okay, last video I talked about this one, right? Okay, so where should the light come from? Here, right? Because we want this plane, ABHG. Okay, so when the light comes from here, we know that the shadow of GH must come out from G here. Okay, and where is the shadow of the point M? Must be here, right? Here. So we just connect together. Okay, then we know that GB is actually the orthogonal projections of the line GM. Okay, so we want to find the angle between the line GM and the plane ABHG. Okay, so let me draw a triangle first. So this is G, this is M. Okay, so GB is the orthogonal projection of GM. Okay, so where MB we know this is 6 centimeter because GJ, this whole thing is actually 12 centimeter divided by 2, we will get 6 centimeter. So where's GB? Oh, we don't have GB. Never mind, we can find it. So now this is G, this is A, this is B. So right angle is over here. AG is 4 centimeter, AB is 13 centimeter. Okay, from here actually we can get GB, right? So 4 square plus 13 square root. Okay, so just press the calculator. 4 square plus 13 square root. 13.60. Okay, 13.60. Okay, so now we know GB is actually 13.60 centimeter. So we're looking for this angle. Now we can use tangent. Tangent theta is equal to opposite divided by the adjacent. So theta is actually equal to arctangent. Okay, so this one, just press the calculator. 6 divided by 13.6. Okay, so the answer is 23 degrees 48 minutes. Okay, then we go to part B. We want to find the angle between the plane GJM and ADJG. Okay, G, here is G, J, J is over here, GJM. Okay, let me draw the plane first. Then you can see it clearer. Okay, this is GJM and the plane ADJG. ADJG. G. Okay, this is another plane mentioned by the questions. Okay, from here actually you know that GJ is the line of intersection between these two planes, right? Okay, so let me draw it first. First, draw the line of intersection G, J. Then just imagine these two planes, you open it up, become flat. Okay, here you will get like this. So this is actually point M. Okay, GA. So here's A, JD. Here is D. Okay, now you don't see any straight line which is perpendicular with the line of intersection GJ here. Okay, so I think I just let this point be E and this point be F. Okay, so the midpoint here will be E and the midpoint of AD here will be F. So now you should be able to get a straight line, right? Which is MEF. MEF. So the angle that we want is actually MEF. Okay, let me draw the triangle first. Oh. Okay, this is E, this is F, this is M. So we are looking for MEF, right? So this angle theta, EF is equal to 4 centimeter and FM is equal to 13. Okay, so tangent again, tangent theta equal to DOA, opposite divided by the adjacent. So theta is tangent 13 divided by 4. Okay, 13 divided by 4. Okay, you will get 72 degree 54 minutes. 72 degree 54 minutes. Okay, so we go to part C. Okay, calculate the angle between the plane IJN and CDJI. So where's I? Okay, here's I, J, M. Okay, draw the plane first. I, J, M. Okay, now we have this plane. And CDJI, use another color. CDJI. Okay, this is another plane. Okay, from here you know that the line of intersection is JI. Okay, draw JI first. JI. Then try to open up these two planes. You will get like this. Okay, this is actually M. Okay, this can go down. I. Okay, I will be C here. So J, you will get D here. Okay, so can you see a straight line which is perpendicular to the line of intersection IJ? Okay, here is the straight line, right? So it means that we want the angle MIC. MIC. Okay, MIC. Okay, I draw a right angle triangle first. This is N, this is I, this is C, right angle is over here. So IC is 4 centimeter and CM is 6 centimeter because this is midpoint, equal length here. So we are looking for MIC here. Okay, same thing again, tangent angle MIC is equal to 6 over 4. So angle MIC is equal to, okay, so this one just press the calculator, 6 over 4. Okay, you will get 56 degree 19 minutes. Okay, after watching this video, I hope that you uh, will be clear about the way how we find the angle between two planes. Okay, so for this video I just stop here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.